Okay, this is the last day out here looking for dolphins. We've seen them a couple times, but I'm going to record this as kind of like the intro to this video. It's pretty much just going to be boring. It's just going to be us paddleboarding. Unless I get lucky today and some dolphins run up on me, I don't think there's anything too interesting that's going to happen. But yeah, out here, and I guess just enjoy the paddleboarding, and maybe dolphins if some come up. But yeah, this is where I am. And yeah, there's Maddie's dad all the way over there. Yeah, now I am. Hey guys, hey vlog. Mr. Jason is prevailing greatly. This is fun. I hope we see dolphins, which we definitely won't, but woo. Yeah. How you doing? I'm just a common traveler. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, did it fall? The wrap's on. Did it? Ah! Did you? What the heck? Did it break? Yeah, it broke. I'll just have to... Okay, now it's down. Oh, Maddie, you see them? They were all the way over there. So this is the next day. We came out here again because we saw dolphins, and you can paddleboard with them. They'll swim next to you, but unfortunately I think we missed them. They're way out there towards, like in front of me, towards the dock. That's unfortunate. Yeah, at least they're here. Woo. This is a bonus feature. Dug a hole. It's pretty big. Guys, stand next to it for size comparison. Here you go. Yeah. I see him. I just wish we could get a little closer. There they are. Oh, crap. Sorry.
I really don't want to follow you.
I know. I'm sorry. That was it for paddleboarding. I know it's pretty boring, but it was fun for us and relaxing.
Somebody got cheated out.